In this short video, I'm going to share with you what you could consider when setting KPIs or key performance indicators for your team in your business. When you hear the word key performance indicator, what runs through your mind? So when we do work with business owners and their teams and we mention the word key performance indicator, comments like micromanagement, under pressure, vague, ambiguity all come up. There's no clarity around that. So let's remove the word key performance indicator and replace it with what winning looks like. See, I'm pretty certain that most people on your team want to show up every day, do a great job, help the business or the team win, and be acknowledged for it. The truth is, many business owners don't help their team understand what winning actually looks like. So in this video, what I'd like to share with you are some simple ways to create clarity for you and your team about what winning looks like and how your team can help you win in the game of business. First and foremost, you as the business owner needs to know what winning looks like. Now that could be financially, it could be the work you've got booked in advance, it could be the net profit that you're generating, and that could be your measure. But what's most important is how can you convey that in a way that engages your team to get excited about helping you. If you're just sharing it's all about the net profit, that's not going to excite your employees. But if it's the quality of the work that you're doing, the number of projects that you can complete in a certain time frame over a year, the feedback that you're getting from your customers, maybe the number of 5-star Google reviews, that's the game that you're out to play. Now, if you can create a vision around that, and a vision is about this is where we're going, team, who's coming with me? And then relay that back to your team and help them individually understand how their role on the team helps your team, the bigger picture, win. The thing around that is it also needs to be a number that they can impact directly. Now, when we talk about KPIs or what winning looks like, there are some measures. A, it needs to be quantitative, which is a number. B, it needs to be qualitative, which is around the quality of what has been done. And the third one is the behaviour, because I'm sure we've all had people on our teams who have been able to deliver a number from a quality and a quantity perspective, and their behaviour sucks. So that's why behaviour is such an important measure behind the scenes. So let's have a look at a few roles. Possibly you've got an estimator. An estimator needs to be able to win a certain amount of work, like a volume of work, but also at a particular gross profit margin. So there you have it. Volume is a number. Gross profit is the quality of the work that you've won. You might have a foreman or a supervisor on site where a project needs to be completed on time and also under budget. There we have it. So you've got, and a quality associated with it as well. On time, under budget, and also get a 5-star experience for the customer or the review. Now, what about the apprentice? The apprentice might have a simple task to make sure the job site is clean and tidy each and every day, that all the tools are accounted for at the end of each week. Again, that's helping the team achieve the overall goal. In the office, it could be about having invoices being sent out on time, overdues followed up, all of the compliance and the paperwork done at 100% level of completion. Again, individual roles that all combined help the team and the business win. All the best with that, and if you need some support creating what winning looks like in your business, please be in touch.